Hi everybody, in this quick video we're going to take a look at the first stage of getting your hands on fire stopping of service penetration checks for Solibri Office. In this first video all we're going to look at is the admin tasks, so how we actually buy and how we assign the licenses to a user. So the first step is a visit to the Solution Center. So I'll quickly log in. And once we're in here I want to check that we're an administrator, and if we are, this will say go to admin view, which is what I need to see. Switch this filter here from product to Solibri extension. And once this page is loaded, I'm going to scroll down until I can find the BIM coordination plus extension. That's the one I'm after. Because I'm an admin, this says free. I'm going to add. And even though it's free, we have to then buy the appropriate number of licenses. So we do that through the card at the top of the page. Give that a click. We then set the number of licenses we need. So I might have a couple of Solibri Office licenses, but I might have 10 users. So in that case, if I've got 10 users, I might have some that come and go and change, etc. I need to have a few more, so maybe what I'd do is add 15 of these licenses to my account. And then go to pick next, pick that I've read and understood the terms and conditions, and then you'll see over here the confirm button's appeared. I'm going to give that a click. And we can complete the process. So once you confirm and make the purchase, the next thing that happens is the page redirect here to the assignment tab. Pick on extensions. So I'll refresh the list so I can see the extensive list of just one user in this case. But that user I can grab and I can assign the extension to. I can make sure we save the changes. But effectively that's the process complete. We've bought the licenses, we've assigned them. The next step is to go to Solibri Office and install them.